How was your vacation?
Awesome.
Too short?
Way too short.
Yeah, where did you go again?
Lisbon, Portugal.
Shellac Madness.
I'll be staying with the wedges here for a while.
It's just knowing what's
Sanding wedges.
And sanding wedges.
I think I just finished shellacking.
Yeah, looks good.
Ooh, nice.
Nice job, dude.
I don't know what to do now.
I could probably put this away. I don't know that I'm gonna get to sanding today.
We're rolling into cleanup time soon.
No!
Looks like I'm gonna have to glue after cleanup.
I gotta leave after cleanup.
What? You got a hot date? Yes, you do.
My kids,
What
they need to go get that candy.
dressing is?
A Ninja and Chucky.
Oh, cool.
My daughter's going as Chucky, my son's going as a Ninja.
Want to see my granddaughters get up?
I put a video out of all of us in our costumes. We did a party on Saturday.
Cute.
Dan's family, nice. She's got a thing.
Your
That's
cousin
awesome.
from Boston.
We got Wednesday. Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Good
Oh, the
luck.
hand. I thought that was Morticia's hand first. That's funny.
me, and it sticks right on her shoulder.
Oh, that's awesome. Look at the
But
face,
she
too.
stayed in character
Oh,
for
yeah.
the whole party.
Oh, yeah. She's awesome.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another beautiful morning, another beautiful week at Sam Buford Woodworking Institute. What's up, Armando? How's it going?
Filling some holes.
Hard at work already early this morning, I see.
Trying to get a jump on it.
I better get started.
May as well. I got the time.
Yep, that you do.
Who's this new guy?
This is me.
He's a new man.
Got a haircut?
Yeah, had to.
Yeah. They force
see.
you.
No, I forced myself. I couldn't see. Go like this and you can't see.
Yeah, yeah.
It's time to get a haircut.
Morning, Joanne.
How was your weekend?
It's great.
Friday, so I was like, I have to go in early.
I got here Friday before him. I always thought he slept here. Because I leave, he's here. I come in the morning, he's here. So finally Friday, I was here and he wasn't here.
That's good.
I forgot the chair classes upstairs.
Oh, it is?
The whole thing.
Oh.
Kyle is working up here. I think I'm going to stay down.
Yeah, I forgot about that chair class.
I think I'm going to work down.
So our round table's down here then
I
today?
guess so. Did you,
Hi, Aro.
But he even says,
Good morning.
don't do this. This is like he didn't know and then he started out. All right, we're going.
Rami's back.
Going up.
We're going upstairs? Let's go. Let's get started, man. Yeah, that's the media mod there, so I can use the wireless mic. Yeah. So this thing came with a microphone. I haven't edited any of the footage yet to see how it makes it through.
Yeah, I bet it works.
Hopefully.
It's like it like stops it in the phone parts, right?
I'm hoping, yeah. There's some editing I can do to make it better, but we'll see.
So it's gonna be great. I still didn't watch your last video.
No? Man. So, you want me to spoil it for you?
No.
What your car is? No?
You told me something about slowing down.
Yeah. Basically, like, you pop into frame when, like, one of the weeks you were popping into frame, like doing peace signs and stuff. Yeah, like, slow it down.
That's good stuff.
So yeah, you heard Luke say he wants to pay me to do TikTok.
Excellent. And he said he'd pay extra if you put me in the video.
Yeah, we'll work that out with him, okay?
Alrighty.
Sign it up.
That's what we need to do.
Luke, Jeff Davis costs extra. I'm gonna get the So you can run the
I am. I'm dumping Frank Lloyd Wright to San Luis. Yep, definitely. I don't blame you.
Alright guys, I got my first drawer face set up here in this jig. And I'll be cutting it out with this right here. And this is how it's all set up. Let's get to work. One last thing I forgot is to set the depth of this bit. Right now it's set too deep, so I gotta adjust that. I think I can do this one-handed. Let's give it a go so you can see what's going on here. Set you guys back up over here real quick, and let's get to work. Come here guys, check this out. So it's nice and thin now. All I gotta do now is strip off this little thin walls that I got going on here. I saw this moving slightly, so I'm gonna adjust it. There we go. Coming along nicely. How's it going?
Well, I'm trying to fit these dovetails, and it's a challenge.
I want to take a quick break from that because that's tedious too.
Yeah, it is.
Breaks over.
Big one? You have to rotate the other way. Get to the top. Yep. You're right that way. Yep. It is a little too long, but it depends on how you're gonna cut your. Well, looking at your lighting part of the or you can mark. Now, back to put a lot. Oh, we gotta do it to this one, to this one, let's get all of them before we. I'm gonna finish that one. That one's small. Right? Yep.
That's a good thing for big stuff.
And then line this bottom with that bottom, you'll get it in. Oh, cool. Yep, down to a little bit more. Four. This is 3.
A little bit too.
Yep.
Bend it too short.
Oh yeah.
Like 3, 5. Very nice. Very nice. Don't look at the inside, go back. This should go like this, but it doesn't seem like
It's you gotta rotate it other way. Yep, now flip it.
Oh my god!
Okay, now rotate it again.
I just noticed my fork's missing.
Your what?
My fork.
Oh, where is it?
I don't know. I gotta find it. Well, it's just sitting there.
Put that thing on.
Hello, everybody. I made sloppy joe.
You made
Sloppy Joes!
Look how cute she is in her apron.
Yeah, they're sloppy, so I have to wear an apron.
Thank you.
Yeah.
They're my favorite. I couldn't wait. I started eating without you guys. So good.
It's kind of sad to walk through the little thing though, because a lot of them are like for trees that they decorated like in memory of their. And there was like a toddler one. I'm like, this is a lot.
Oh, see, I just looked, I didn't need this. Don't pour Mama in. Don't you pour Mama in. Is it? Oh my God, you can pour.
I usually fast forward, but I can't worry.
Back to work. That was the delicious Sloppy Joe I devoured it. Keegan's waiting on me, so I'm trying to get over here as quick as possible and get this done. All right, Joanne, you have a good weekend. I'm taking off.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Well, Armando, you have a good weekend.
You too, man. Take it easy.
Heading out. Sam Buford, thank you for another extraordinary week. It's been interesting. I can't wait to come back next week. We'll see you then in the next one.